Millions of Americans are still out of work right now, and it's causing many families to go hungry. But as Michael George reports, some people are helping out by setting up community refrigerators. They're filled with free and healthy food.
Anyone who said there's no such thing as a free lunch has never been to the corner of 242nd and Broadway in the Bronx. That's where you'll spot this colorful fridge put here by partners Sarah Allen and Selma Raven.
It's a way of putting food in a place that's accessible to everyone that needs it during this time.
It's called a community fridge. People fill it with free, healthy food at a time when so many families are struggling.
You see the need. You see the real need. People are still not making ends meet.
This year, 54 million Americans, including 18 million children, could lack steady access to food. Nick Garcia just lost his job as a painter, and this little fridge has been a lifeline for him.
Words can't even explain how helpful this is for me personally. You know, I'm going through a struggle. It's really saved my life.
And now that word is spreading, people are lining up to help.
This woman here, she calls us and she makes pasta and rice and brings it twice a week.
This bar, The Last Stop, offered their outlet to keep the fridge running 24/7. Frank Betts, who lost his own job due to the pandemic, brought what he could to restock the fridge.
When I saw this on TV, I said, I got to be part of it. I got to start donating what I have.
Take what you need, leave what you can. It's a simple idea, but one that's grown beyond anyone's expectations.
New York already has more than a dozen community fridges, with more on the way. They're popping up in other cities, like this one in Long Beach, California.
Clearly, it's speaking volumes to the necessity of access to fresh food and free food.
They're all independently run. It's a true community effort.
It's very, very heartening. It's very, very heartening.
We were just a block of people, and now it's a community. It really is.
Neighbors helping neighbors, one meal at a time. Michael George, CBS News, New York.